Good morning students. My name is Mohit and I'm a mathematics teacher in Mount Litra Z School Jhansi. This video is for class 5th and today's topic is relationship between LCM and HCF. This topic is from chapter factors and multiples. Do you know that there is an interesting relationship between the HCF and LCM of any two numbers, and the relationship is this: the product of two numbers is equals to the HCF and LCM. That means if we multiply the given number, that is first number into second number, the product will always equals to the HCF into LCM. So this is the relationship between two numbers. Let's take some examples to understand it more. Like for example, if I say that this is numbers, product of numbers HCF and LCM, and the product of HCF and LCM, I have made this table for the convenience. For example, if I write 6 and 9, these are two numbers which I have taken. So what is the product of the numbers? That is 6 into 9, that is 54, because 6 9s are 54. And what is the HCF? If I talk about HCF and LCM, you already know how to take out the HCF and LCM. So like 6 can be written as in the form of factor like 2 into 3, and 9 can be written as 3 into 3. So what is the common number? That is 3. So the 3 is there, HCF. Now if I talk about their LCM, so the LCM is 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 2 1s are 2, 3 and 3 1s are 3. So the LCM is 2 into 3 into 3, that is 18. So the HCF is 3, LCM is 18. So the product of HCF into LCM, that is 3 into 18, that is 54. 18 3s are 54. So do you notice that the product of the numbers is equals to the product of the HCF and LCM? It means the relationship is okay. Now let's take another example. If I talk about 10 and 15, let's take 10 and 15. So what is the product of the numbers? The 10 into 15 is 150. The HCF and LCM the HCF and LCM you will take out by the same process. So the HCF of 10 and 15 is 5, and the LCM of 10 and 15 will be 30. Now what we will do, we will multiply the HCF and LCM like 5 multiplied by 30, so it will be 150. So do you notice that again the product of the numbers is equals to the product of HCF and LCM. So this is the examples. Now from the above table, from this table, we can see that the second column, that is this, and the fifth column, that is this, have the same resultant product. This means the product of two numbers is equals to the product of their HCF and LCM. Now let's study about the properties of LCM and HCF. So the first property, that the HCF of the given number is smaller than or equals to the smallest of the given number. Means the HCF we will take out will be smaller than or equal. It may be smaller or equal to the smallest of the given number. Now the second property is LCM of given numbers is greater than or equal to the largest of the given number. For example, if I talk about this, you notice that the HCF may be equal or smaller than the smallest of the given number, like 6 and 9, which is the smallest between these numbers, that is 6. It means the HCF is smaller than 6, or it may be equals to the 6. So the second is LCM of the given number is greater than or equal to the largest of the given number. So let's understand this. For example, if I talk about 18, so largest of these numbers is 9, and the LCM is greater than 9. So this property also applies. Now the third property is HCF of the two co-prime numbers is always 1. You notice that, like for example, if I talk about, for example, 5 and for example 7, these numbers are co-prime. So what we will do, we can take out that 5 multiplied by 1 and we can write it 7 like 7 into 1. So what is the common number? That is 1. So the HCF is always one of the two co-prime numbers. Now the fourth property is LCM of two co-prime numbers is equals to their product. Yes, you know that. What is the LCM? Like 5 into 7. So 5 ones are 5, 7 ones are 7. So the LCM is always equals to the product, that is 5 sevens are 35. So the fourth properties applies. So I hope you understand it very clearly. Now I will be giving some examples to you to practice at home. So this is the exercise for you to practice at home. In this you need to draw these columns and start solving for the product, the LCM, HCF and their products. So I hope you understand, students. So all the best.